an old voice. Let's hear a new voice. Let's try a different one. Bless you. Let's try a different. Oh, a different puppy over here. Yeah, I gave you all you getting. Try someone else.
Good luck on that side. Yeah.
She says, "Oh no, that one doesn't work at all." And that's it. No more. All gone.
Are you kidding me?
All gone.
Really?
She looks like her father. It's on her different voice. Oh, you'll understand. If I kiss you.
It's all good. All good.
Starving to death. Oh, yeah. You are so talkative and all these different little voices. Wow. What a talented puppy. See if he'll give you any.
Oh.
Why are you ignoring me?
What about Mr. Nice Guy over there? Oh, yeah. This doesn't go down as his wine does. It's, thing. And it's, it's dry.